Hey guys, Neil from N.P.DETAILING with another video for you. Today I'm doing a carbon clean on this. It's an R32 VW Golf on a 57 plate. So we're gonna do the clean on it, quick test drive, see how it drives with the customer. I don't know if you know from my previous video, same customer had a Lexus. Is only last couple of 3 videos ago or something like that, so check that one out. This one's his new car. He sold a Lexus, customer drove it, obviously liked it, so took it away. So check it out. So here's the car. He's just bought this car about a week ago. It's R32 VW Golf and V6 engine. He said it sounds a bit rattly. It's got 90 odd thousand on the clock. Obviously it's an older model, but I'm sure my machine will do some wonders to it. And eventually we're going to be might be doing a bit of detailing on it, see what happens. So here's my machine. You've probably seen it in the previous videos. I'm going to hook that up. This is the into the air intake, and this is to the battery. Simple process, 1 hour, transform the car. So let's see what happens. So machine's all hooked up, going into the air intake, goes up and over straight into the air intake here. And the batteries are connected. So now what I'm going to do, because it's a 3 point, what is it, 3.5? 3.2, sorry, V6. I'm going to switch it on and crank this up to about 8. I don't know if you can see because of the sunlight, but it's on 8, near enough 8. So yeah, all hooked up. You can hear how it sounds now. The mic near it. And we can hear how it's going to sound later after 1 hour. Right, so we're nearly done. An hour later, this is what the engine sounds like now. Obviously on camera it sounds a little bit different. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is sounding quieter, a lot smoother, a lot more chilled out. So yeah, only 2-3 minutes left on the carbon clean machine, and we'll take it for a little bit of a spin and see what it's got to say for itself. So we're just going to go for a test drive now in this R32 VW Golf. After carbon clean, 1 hour, just going to see what this car feels like. Customer's just bought it, so let's see what the results are like. What do you notice so far then?
Smooth, definitely smooth.
It's got a DSG gearbox, right?
Yes, mate.
So DSG gearbox. 90, how much on the clock?
It's 92 nearly.
92,000 on the clock.
Yeah.
Never been carbon cleaned before by the looks of it. So let's see what happens. Do you think it's quieter?
A lot quieter, a lot smoother, man. The gear change is definitely, you
Can't even feel it.
You can't feel it, man.
Yeah.
At all.
That's what I've noticed with automatics, especially. This is the first DSG gearbox I've done. Actually, no, tell a lie. I've done one before, VW Scirocco. But everyone who's had an automatic have said to me that the gearbox is a lot smoother, and when it used to change gears, it sustains the gears longer after a carbon clean, which is only a bonus, I suppose, because you're using the gears more effectively, aren't you? And that way your car's burning less fuel. So yeah. Wow, it's hot in here. So yeah, if anyone out there is thinking of getting a carbon clean done, obviously there are a lot of companies doing it. Don't ever go to a company, and this is from other customers telling me bad experiences that they've had with carbon clean companies that are doing carbon cleans where they put a chemical into your fuel line. I don't know what chemical they're using, but it's quite caustic. And obviously the aluminium block is soft metal, isn't it? So, you know, I don't believe in putting any chemicals in to an engine. This is pure hydrogen gas. The other chamber of my machine has 11 chemicals which is turned into a gas, like a cleaning agent. So it's completely harmless and beneficial for the engine, cleans out the carbon, better MPG, power, smoother running. Obviously we're only doing about 30 miles an hour at the minute, so, but what does it feel like low speed?
Mate, it is smooth.
Smooth.
As anything.
So yeah, smooth as anything. It's amazing how 1 hour can just transform. And what's the standard brake you said on this?
It's 250.
250 brake.
Yeah.
So it's probably weren't running at 250 brake with all the build up of carbon and stuff in it. So yeah, we're just on the national speed limit now, so just testing what it feels like. So if there's any wind noise, windows open, but it's shut now. So just that little burst. What do you reckon?
Yeah, it's got power, man. It comes on really, really quick.
Yeah. So more responsive, would you say?
Instantaneous power, man. Just
How is it compared to before?
it feels smoother. There's no judder. It just feels it's running really, really, really smooth.
And
That's how it feels.
I noticed the gearbox has got a sports mode as well, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
I've
not used. To be honest,
You not use it?
I've not driven the car that much. I've literally just been on the road a couple of days now.
Yeah.
But from what I've driven, how it feels, you can tell the difference straight away.
Yeah.
Instant power.
Instant. What about the gear changes? What do you notice?
Smooth. It just goes through the gears really, really well.
Does it sustain them longer, do you think?
To be honest with you, I couldn't tell you because I don't know. I've not really
You've not driven it that much,
this
yeah.
car, you know, yeah.
So what happens if you stick it in sport?
I don't know.
I noticed there that the sports mode definitely felt a lot more punchier.
Yeah. You drop the revs.
Yeah.
Picked up.
Okay, so just been on a test drive. So what we've noticed is smoother engine running, more power, smoother delivery of the power, smoother gear changes because it's DSG as well, but it's actually smoother. And did you find out the gears stayed in the gear longer?
I believe it.
Yeah. Okay. So there you have it. Another good carbon clean on this R32 VW Golf with 92,000 on the clock. Don't forget, if you like this video and you see more videos, please do hit subscribe, add a comment below if you want to know anything about carbon cleaning. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and that's it from me. So I'll see you in the next video. I've got a few Mercs coming up, all different types of Mercs which I'm going to be detailing, so keep your eyes out for that one. Catch you soon, guys. Cheers.